Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the DBS bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now on your web browser, type in www.dbs.com.hk and hit enter. After the home page of the DBS bank opens up on your screen, in the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button in this red text field. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the DBS iBanking option. After you click on the DBS iBanking option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your username here, your password here, and then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into the DBS bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the DBS bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.